Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy1. So in this video I want to talk about the Paws Airdrop new update. So as you all can see that there's a new update which they just posted on their community, and that particular update is known as what we call Paws new gifts. So as you can see, this particular update were made today, which is February 13, and you can see on their community group, you can see where they say something new has arrived. Gifts are at the core of Paws, and today they become even more accessible. So remember that when they made an update, like before they end their mining, so you can remember they said that before we can get those gifts, that we have to mine some NFT, and those NFT which we mine is what we are going to use in mining, giving us our gift, but right now that the gift is now available, so every one of us now can go ahead and start getting those gifts for free. Like you can go ahead and get the free without you mining any NFT to get access to those gifts. So you can see that new daily reward and new gifts are being added, and for someone a very special card may find its way to you. So you can also get some special caps from those daily gifts which you receive, and now everyone can have a gift in the caps. The journey just begins, so we're just in the beginning now. So now we can go ahead and claim our free gifts, and those gifts is which you can go ahead now and claim. So these are the gifts in which you need to be claiming every day. You can see that the gift for today is known as the Boincast. So what you need to do is to make sure that you keep a daily streak. One, this is the day one. So make sure that you keep a daily streak in order for you to not miss out the gift. And you can see in the day 3 of this, you are going to receive the Paws Airdrop, like the free Paws gifts in the day 3 section. So you make sure that you do not miss any day. What you need to do is go ahead and click on the pick up. So once you keep pick up, this is what you're going to bring to you. So this is the gift I received. That is the Boincast. So the gift also has a task in which you must complete. So once you click on that Boincast, you can see where it says complete the task and receive a gift, and you can see that the gift is temporary issue for 7 days. Like it can only last for 7 days, and once it's reached the 7 days, you can't see this particular task again. What you need to do is go ahead and click on start. So it will bring you to the Boincast interface. So after completing the task, that of the Boincast task, all you need to do is go to this section and click on it. So once you click on it, you can see that this is the NFT. You can see the NFT gifts which you have received, and you can see how easy it is. Remember the last time they give us, like they ended the mining, we have to go to get gems and mint the NFT. But right now we're getting those NFT now for free without us depositing or minting the NFT with some USDT or TON. Right now we can get the NFT for free. All you need to do is go ahead and complete that task and claim your free NFT. And also do not forget, you should make sure that you maintain a daily streak. Like you have to come every day in order for you to get those gifts, which will later turn into NFT. So I'm going to show you guys on how you can stake those NFT which you claim. As you can see that, you can see where it says staking inactive. So what you need to do in order to activate the staking, you need to go ahead and click on that NFT. So once you do that, what you need to do is go ahead and click on this Boincast NFT. So this is an NFT also, so click on it. So once you click on it, you can see where it says stake 1 item. So go ahead and stake it. So right now we can go ahead and stake those NFT which we earn, and you can see that this particular NFT is very valid for 6 days. After 6 days, we no longer earn something from this NFT, and you can see the amount which we are going to be earning every hour. That is about 2 tickets. So and it's lasted for only 7 days, like 6 days. After 6 days, we will no longer earn anything from this particular NFT. So there are so many other NFT which we will go ahead and be claiming every day, such as maintaining the daily streak. So this is what we need to do in order for us to like participate in the free gift NFT. So if you find this video helpful, all I need from you guys is go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel Easy, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. And So if you want to get access on any other airdrops which I've check in the description of my video, so you can go ahead and get access to all those airdrops. So peace out.